hungry! What's up, Jersey Jeff Eats foodies? Welcome to a Jersey Jeff Eats Second Helping Rewind. These Second Helping Rewind videos are where I show a food video from my other channel, the New York channel, that some of you older New York subscribers might have seen before, but many have not, and most of the Jersey Jeff Eats subscribers haven't seen at all. All of these videos are, of course, food related in places that I have visited in the past. If you've seen it before, hopefully it's something you might want to watch over, but if not, that's cool. There'll be lots more original content on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel every week. All I'm doing is adding content to this brand new growing food channel, and hopefully you'll enjoy it again or for the first time. Today's video is all about the Sugar Factory at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Atlantic City, where I have a hamburger. Imagine that. Hey guys, before we even get started with this video, I make a mistake several times through the video. I call the place where I'm having my burger It's Sugar. It's not It's Sugar. It's Sugar is a store across from Caesars on the boardwalk in the Playground Mall. The place I'm having this burger is in the Hard Rock, and it's called Sugar Factory. There's a big difference. Just wanted to let you guys know that I think throughout the entire video I keep saying It's Sugar. It's actually the Sugar Factory. And now on with the show. And I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City. Actually, I'm heading into Atlantic City. I'm on the Atlantic City Expressway right now. Heading over to the Hard Rock. Gonna try out the It's Sugar restaurant. Many of you have said they have a really good burger there. I've had burgers all over Atlantic City. I've never actually eaten at It's Sugar. So we're going to take care of that today. Gonna get a nice burger, hopefully a nice burger, and I'll tell you guys all about it. I'll bring you along with me. I'm actually heading over to Caesars tonight to check out the show The Hook. That'll be a separate video, of course. So come along with me. Let's head on over to the Hard Rock and have some burger and fries, shall we? I know I should be ordering something sweet when I'm at It's Sugar, but just not a sweet type of guy. So it's going to be burger and fries for me, and probably an unsweetened iced tea. Hold on tight. Here we are, the Sugar Factory. Not It's Sugar. This place is not only known for their over-the-top desserts, but also their over-the-top cocktails and frozen cocktails, some of them well over $50. Of course, I'm here for a burger. The menu here at the Sugar Factory is just way too expensive for me to show you in a video or even a freeze frame, so I suggest if you're really interested, try to freeze frame it. If not, check out the website. Lots and lots of pages, lots of all different kinds of foods, drinks, and desserts. Hey guys, if you're enjoying the videos here on the Jersey Jeff Eats channel and you haven't subscribed yet, why not do so right now? Just click on that little Jersey Jeff Eats logo in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. If you're enjoying this Sugar Factory video in particular, why not give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below? Subscribing, leaving a thumbs up, and commenting puts the video out there for more people to see, and that really does help the channel out. I appreciate your support, guys.
So I'm ordering the Big Cheesy, which is a 8-ounce Angus beef patty with melted American cheese, creamy mac and cheese, applewood bacon, pickles, shredded lettuce, tomato, crispy onions, and barbecue sauce on a toasted brioche bun. That's a big burger. So I ordered the Big Cheesy, but they don't have unsweetened iced tea. They only have brisk. I hate brisk. So I ordered a Diet Coke.
Well, everything looks and smells delicious. I love brioche buns. They gave me a steak knife, by the way, which is a good thing because when a burger comes this high and this big, I like to cut them in half. It just makes eating them a little bit easier. It kind of looks like a glorified Whopper, like a Burger King Whopper, only of course much better and much more expensive. It's got bacon on it, and I think the thing that really differentiates this burger from other burgers they serve here is the mac and cheese that they have served on top of the burger. Actually, the only reason I mentioned the Whopper was the shredded lettuce, but other than that, it doesn't really look like a Whopper. This looks like a really good restaurant burger.
Burger's pretty good. Could use a little more crispy onions and a little more barbecue sauce. Other than that, it's juicy, it's cooked perfectly, everything is fresh. Those pickles, really pickly, but it tastes good. Everything, the bacon's crunchy. Off to the fries now. The fries fries are good as well. I like shoestring fries. These are crispy on the outside, nice and tender on the inside. They're seasoned well. The only issue I have is they're very short. All of them are very short, like they came from tiny potatoes. I have no idea, but they taste good. That's all that matters, right?
Hey guys, if you'd like to help support the Jersey Jeff Eats channel, then just click on that thanks button right underneath the video you're watching. Clicking on that thanks button not only helps support the channel and makes videos like this one possible, but it will get you a shout out as well in a future Jersey Jeff Eats video. Thank you so much guys, I appreciate all your support. So lunch at It's Sugar wasn't bad. It wasn't fantastic, but it wasn't bad. The burger was way too big for me to finish, and the fries, they remind me of like when you get a bag of chips and then you're left with the small chips and the crumbs at the bottom of the bag. Now I know French fries don't come in a bag, but that's what these fries reminded me of. They were delicious, but they were just like odds and ends, bits and pieces. So I don't know, crazy. Maybe I'm being too picky. I don't know. The lunch was okay. It came to $25 plus a tip. I don't know if I'd go back again. There's so many other places to explore here in Atlantic City as far as food's concerned. So before I go back there, I'm sure I'll check out a lot of other places. On the way up, I met someone that's a fan of the channel, so thank you for spotting me and saying hi. If you guys do see me, please just stop me and say hi. So I really appreciate that. Talk to you guys soon. Take care, and thanks for joining me for lunch.